Hey, may humahaba. May gustong sumali sa giveaway? Sino ito? Ay! Nakakaloka si Madam Jutangera pala ite. Anyway, before tayo mag-proceed, huwag niyong kakalimutang mag-subscribe sa ating channel, click the notification bell, and pa-subscribe na kasi. And of course, huwag niyo rin kakalimutang mag-follow sa aking TikTok account at aking Facebook kasi doon tayo maaura ng bonggang-bongga at panghuli ay si Mukasa. Yes, meron na tayong video dati. Nagawa na natin ng video si Mukasa before. Sa mga hindi pa nakakapanood, panoorin nyo na lang yung Mukasa na video natin. So, Mukasa, Pay Later and Quick Loan. So, CIC accredited din siya. As you can see, napaka-legit din nitong si Mukasa. And they offer 3,000 to 25,000 loan amount. O diba? Tapos, ang loan term is 91 days to 180 days. Tapos, may maximum APR siya na 30%. Wala siyang transaction fee. You will be charged 20 pesos flat service fee per transaction. Yun, may service fee nga lang siya na 20 pesos per transaction. So, hindi lang pay later or buy now, pay later ang ina-offer din ni Mukasa. They also offer quick cash loan. So, ang advantage niya is very convenient kasi nga online siya sa app mismo. Tapos, instant cash loan, simple loan process, easy approval, low interest and fees. At saka meron na rin akong account sa kanila actually. So, pero hindi ako ma-approve. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. So, ito yung app nila. So, your loan, so may 25,000 credit limit na offer sila. Tapos, 12 installment maximum. Per year. Pay off in 1 year. Tapos, ang daily interest niya is 0.2%. That's minimum daw. No hidden fees. Tapos, may pay later din sila. Ayan. So, you can shop over hundreds of their merchants online and offline din. Kaloka, no? So, i-check natin dito. Okay, so may mga ganyan permissions din sila na ina-ask sa inyo, no? So, i-agree ko lang yan kasi for me, okay naman si Mukasa. Yun nga lang, te. Diba? Declined ako noon kasi ilang beses na ako nakapag-apply sa kanila. Pero decline ako lagi. So, hindi ko alam kung bakit lagi akong decline. We can't offer you a quick loan right now. To ensure your data security, Mukasa cannot provide services on this device due to potential risk. Ewan ko. So, kailangan gamit ko yung isang phone ko. You can also get credit report na dito. Mismo sa app nila. Really? May bayad. 299 per month. Okay, anyways. That's too much for me. Okay, dito sa FAQ nila. So, how to apply for the Mukasa credit? You need to register your phone number and all you need to do is to, of course, provide the needed information in the app. After that, please open your line 24 to 48 hours kasi parang may magbe-verify daw from Mukasa. So, how to increase my Mukasa credit? Your credits may increase depending on the behavior of your transactions and repayments daw. The increase is system generated and it is based on our evaluation of your credit worthiness. As long as you have a good credit score, maintain a good credit history of timely transactions and repayment, your credit line will increase over time. So that's Mukasa. So if you need to know more about Mukasa, you can download their app, and try to apply. Tingnan kung ma-approve kayo or hindi. Balitaan nyo naman ako, pa-comment naman dito kung nakapag-try na kayo at saka kung existing Jutangera na kayo ng Mukasa, mga mima. How is it Mukasa? Kasi ako lagi akong reject sa kanya. Promise, nakakaloka. Hindi ko na alam kung bakit. So talagang nagbe-base sila sa credit score kasi ang credit score ko mababa. Pero Bakit ganun yung mga bangko, ina-approve naman ako? Ang feeling ko kasi dito, ang mga bangko kasi are using TransUnion, 'di ba? Credit Bureau. And hindi medyo mataas ng konti yung credit score ko sa TransUnion unlike doon sa CIBI. I'm not sure kung ganun ha, pero bakit ina-approve ako ng credit card? Anyway, kanya-kanyang trip yan. Maraming salamat sa pagtutok mga Mima. Buyers!